Listen, I've been held up at the border coming back into the U.S. with 6 guns pointed in my direction. Yes, it's happened. It's happened to me and my dad coming back from RIS. So that was traumatic. Welcome to this week's vlog. Salam. Afia picked me up from work yesterday, and we left New York City, and she drove us 7 hours straight. Yep. To Niagara Falls.
Guess what? The U.S. side, for all of you people going to Niagara Falls, because nobody told us, PSA, bring your passport. Because the U.S. side sucks.
Yeah, why is Niagara Falls like Canada so much better than in the U.S.?
Yeah. All the nice buildings and the lights and the spas and the brunch spots, they're all in Canada. And where were we gonna go in America? Patty's Chicken Bar.
Afia got a ticket last night. Hold on. Let me tell you guys about some ish, okay? Listen up. So Afia's like, crap! I'm getting pulled over by Popo. And all of a sudden I hear this noise on my passenger window. And I'm like, what the hell? So obviously me and Afia were putting on the charm heavy, obviously, trying to get out of a ticket.
Heavy! Immediately. We clicked into place.
Immediately!
We synced up. It was so great.
And he's like, do you know how fast you were going? And Afia's like, I'm so sorry. Me and my friend are road tripping. We haven't seen each other forever. And we were just talking and engrossed. We didn't even realize.
And if you weren't Muslim, you probably would have thought we were drunk.
And he's like, do you know how fast you were going? Afia's like, I don't know. I don't know. I feel like 70, 60, 70. And he's like, at your fastest, you were going 93. And I was like, damn!
And she said that in front of the cop. She's like, damn.
I needed to lighten the mood and let him know I'm on his side. We're allies.
The second he opened the window, he was lightened by our lights.
And he's like, is there anything wrong with your ID, your license? And so then she tells him that the address is wrong. It's since been out. It's since changed and she's moved. He's like, okay, all right. What's your new address? I'm asking her for her address. So she tells him her address, and then he's like, all right, I'll be right back. So as he leaves, I'm like, oh, you're not gonna get it. He'll cite you for like 5 over. He's like super nice. And she's like, I don't know, it's taking a long time. He was taking forever.
Yeah, he was.
I was like, no, you'll get like 5 over, just watch. So he comes back, it's better than 5 over. He gives us a non-moving violation for having the wrong address on your license.
Yeah, and I was going 93 in a 65.
Then we stop at some Texas Chainsaw Massacre situation trying to get gas. The whole city is shut down. The gas stations, the screen just says pump stopped. It literally says pump stopped.
What was that? And this town is blacked out. And we like creep up to the pump, and there's semi-trucks everywhere, and the lights are kind of on and kind of not on.
We're thinking we're leaving this godforsaken nowheresville town, and then it's taking us into it's like, do not enter private drive. And I was like, back up! You need a reverse, girl, back up. That was some crazy. So we finally got back on the highway, found a regular gas station, and then booked it all the way up. Once we got here, realized we don't have any passports.
Yeah, we're in Niagara Falls, and we forgot our passports. And we completely forgot that Canada is connected to the United States. And the Niagara Falls is on both countries. That's like real U.S. privilege. We think we could just go anywhere and do whatever the hell we want. Like, why wouldn't they let us in? Why can't we just use our driver's license?
We're Americans.
So
we made it. We're here, we made it. Afia's like, I guess I gotta take a video.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to do here. And apparently, like, this is it. And we're looking at the other side.
Yeah.
But we don't really get to go over there.
Yeah. So this part of the falls, which is massive,
not as big as I imagined,
is the view Canada
it's because we're on the wrong
get
side.
to see. This is really a disappointment. But that's okay. We're gonna go on the boat. We're gonna go on the Maid of the Mist, and then we'll get to see like the view and see it all in its all its glory. Because right now it's a little That's about to be us with these blue raincoats on Maid of the Mist. Yeah, girl, get it on. Get it, get it. Nice. Right? Yeah. Okay. We go big. How do we look? Chic.
It's actually very thrilling.
Is it? Like, girls, it is like ants coming on board. Wow, look at that. See, that's the view. That's what you see in Canada. Look at it. It's breathtaking. That waterfall over there was nothing. That wasn't even a thing. This is it. We're literally going into a blizzard. What's happening? Oh my God, we're going into a blizzard. My camera's getting so wet, I have to put it away. Guys, we are doing a super fun scavenger hunt. Yes! And it's through this place called City Hunt. And basically, Alice and I are your team leaders. We're breaking up into 2 teams, and each of us have an app. And in order to get points, you either take photos, or you do a video challenge, or you find a monument, or you solve a clue. And all of the challenges are listed in the app, and you can pick and choose which ones you do. And each one has like a certain number of points. And then once you do them, you upload them, and it will also show you like what the other team's doing and like how many points they have and what they're up to.
You can spy on them.
Because this involves a little bit of like playing with people on the street or asking them to take your picture, etc., etc. I thought it would help if we all looked really weird, like we're a bachelorette party, but like not a bachelorette party, so people can immediately tell that we're up to something, but like we're friendly and approachable. So we all have something that we're gonna wear.
Oh my God.
If there is a fight over who gets what, I will make it random.
Wait, I don't know
I know there's one. They're headbands with animal ears.
Guys, I don't know what I'm
This is our August team outing, and we're about to have a scavenger hunt. We've broken up into 2 teams, so we're obviously going to win. It's not even fair. And I don't know why Melanie is going down, guys. She's going down. Are you ready for this, Hoa?
Yes.
6, 7, 8. Unicats are all proud. Unicats gotta save the town. Unicats feline fine. Unicats great all time.
Sword fight. They're doing a sword fight in the middle of the city. Keep going. No!
I can't believe this is real life.
All right. When we were in the office with these on our heads, it seemed much less ostentatious than when we were out in public. Would you agree, Liz?
100%. But you know, as a hijabi, the looks aren't as weird as I normally get. So it's like, oh yeah, unicorns, like, what's new?
NBD, we used to this. That was the most fun thing I've ever done in the city. We literally walked up to strangers and asked them to take photos and videos of us. Midway through the game, we ran into our opponents. Ahmed ran up, grabbed my ears, ran away, and I sprinted after him like an idiot. And then he throws it to Noor, and then I run after her. And I finally get it after she throws it back to Ahmed. The moral of the story is I am tired.
Point blank is
really?
we won!
Yeah!
So you guys remember who said she was gonna win?
That's right.
Melanie.
Where is Melanie El Turk? She can't show her face on camera. Where are you, Melanie? Cause we won and we had a baby.
Red hot chili peppers, red hot chili peppers, red